My dear brothers and sisters, remember these four beautiful names of Allah, names that carry solutions to every worry, every fear, and every hardship. Number 1, Al-Fatah, the opener. When every door feels closed, when life becomes tight, call upon Him. O opener, open for me the doors of your mercy and ease. And watch how Allah opens paths you never imagined. Number 2, Ar-Razak, the provider. Your job, your income, your peace, none of it comes from people. It comes only from Ar-Razak. O provider, increase my halal provision and bless what you give me. Number 3, Ash-Shafi, the healer. No medicine can cure except by His permission. When your body aches or your heart feels heavy, say, O healer, grant me complete and perfect cure. Number 4, Al-Wakil, the one who takes care of all affairs. When fear surrounds you and confidence fades, rely on Him. O trustee, I place all my affairs in your hands. My dear brother and sister, hold on to these names. Call upon Allah with them day and night. And you will see, Allah will remove your worries, strengthen your heart, and fill your life with peace.